Hi guys and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat device ban. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to help.snapchat.com. The same thing that I'm typing over at my internet browser, just follow along. Now wait for the website to finish loading. Once you're here, click on Contact Us. In here, you're going to submit over to help.snapchat.com. In here, click on I can't access my account. In here, scroll down. Now you are going to reload the page. Once done, it will now redirect you to another support. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down. Scroll down once again. If this is helpful, click yes. If not, press no. Now, Snapchat support will ask you to input your details. Make sure you put in your username, your email address, and your mobile number and your device. Device is very important. It has to be the correct brand, model, and model series. When they ask as to when did you start having this issue, just recall as to when it started. Make sure you input the month, date, and year. Attachments are also an option. You can add screenshots of the moment your device was banned. If you don't have one, it's okay. Then when you go to descriptions, make sure you're as clear and concise so that help.snapchat.support.com will be able to help you out. Once done, click on Submit. And then all you have to do is wait for an email coming from support.snapchat in the email you provided. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment as well.